In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Cursor AI in VS Code. By the end, you'll have Cursor AI up and running inside your editor so it can help you write, understand, and refactor code more confidently. We'll move through the process carefully, and I'll point out what to look for so everything goes smoothly. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you're greeted by the welcome page, that's perfectly fine. You can stay there. If you're already inside a workspace, you don't need to change anything just yet. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar, also called the activity bar, and click the extensions icon. It looks like a set of building blocks. This opens the extensions view, where you can browse, install, and manage everything that enhances VS Code. In the search bar at the top of the extensions view, type Cursor. You should see an entry for Cursor AI in the results. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the official extension. The listing will clearly reference Cursor AI and provide a brief description, which helps you verify you're in the right place, especially if there are similarly named tools. If the Cursor AI extension is not already installed, click Install. VS Code will handle the setup for you. You'll see progress as it prepares the extension. Once it's finished, you're almost there. On the extension page, click Enable. Installing adds the extension to your editor, while enabling activates it so it can actually run. If you see that it's already enabled, you don't need to change anything. The status you want is that the extension is active and ready. Now, open a project or folder in VS Code. Cursor AI works best when it can understand your codebase, so having a real project open gives it the context it needs. Any folder with source files is fine. Choose something you're comfortable experimenting with. With your project open, start using Cursor AI features right in the editor. As you work, you'll notice helpful suggestions, code completions, and contextual guidance appearing in line. You may also see a dedicated panel or indicators related to Cursor AI. The key idea is that the extension is now enabled and listening to your editing context, so it can assist as you type, navigate, and read code. That's it. You opened VS Code, found the extensions view, searched for Cursor, installed it, enabled it, opened your project, and began using Cursor AI features in the editor. Enjoy coding with an extra pair of intelligent hands right at your fingertips.